I got some very bad news this morning. Comforting, but sad. One of my employees, Waylon, passed away this morning. Actually yesterday. I got the call this morning from his family. And he's been working with me for about 10 years. Great worker. And if you decide to get into this business or any business, you should treat your employees like their family and take care of them, and they'll take care of you. So Waylon, he's been with me about 10 years. He's freaking awesome. You'll probably recognize him from some of my videos. And just walking, checking out my chickens. They bring me comfort. So his family asked me if I wanted some of his ashes. And I thought, well, you know, it's kind of family, personal type of stuff. And they go, well, you're on the list of people he wanted to have some of his ashes. So I said, yes, of course. I'd be honored to get some of his ashes. And so I'll probably be getting those over the next couple of days, and I'm going to miss the guy. And I will show you some video clips of Waylon. And we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun working, but you know, you should enjoy your work. And apparently he did. He's coming back every season. It's winter time now. My season is over. I'm in the New England area. So that gives me the rest of the winter. I'm going to focus on producing all of my videos in promotion of my Sealcoat University. I'm getting too damn old for this shit, man. I'm aching. I'm 70 years old. I'm still doing it. So if you're a little bit younger, which most people are, and you're interested in maybe some career change, or even if you're retired and looking to make an extra $500, $1,000 on a weekend to help supplement your income during these tumultuous, financially uncertain years lately, check it out. I don't mean to turn a morbid bad news thing into a promo for my course. That's not what I'm trying to do here. But think about it. Waylon, he's been a dear friend. He knows I've been working on this project, and I'm sure wherever he is, he's looking down or up, saying, yeah, good for you, man. Loved you, Waylon. Still do. Love you. Miss you. And God bless you. Here's some videos of happier days.
There's a pause in the morning. I didn't expect gloves hanging high, right where you left them. Same old job, same stretch of ground, but the silence feels heavier now. You knew the work, knew when to laugh, knew when to take it slow. You showed up steady, day after day. I just wanted to let you know I'll miss you, Waylon, more than words can say, more than miles of blacktop laid. I'll miss the grin, the quiet nod, the way you made hard days feel not so hard. Raise one more glass, let the lime sink in. Here's to the miles, here's to the grin. I'll miss you, brother, both night and day. Save me a seat, one more last, my tie is on the way. There at the bar downtown, red lantern glow. The world slowed down, sweat on your brow, drink in your hand. Just a good old man enjoying his plan. You left your mark in many ways on every life you crossed. It's funny how the smallest things end up meaning everything. I'll miss you, Waylon, more than words can say. So many years miss you, Waylon, but I know this much. You're still here in the things you touched, in every laugh, in every mile, in every moment worth the while. So rest easy now, you earned your stay on that big old driveway up the way. Till my time comes and I meet you there, I'll keep you close with thoughts to spare. Good work, brother. Drinks are on you next time.